let me explain to you why I feel as though that Educate Mortgage has a leg up as far as technology is concerned on a lot of other companies that are out there. We developed a software called Lead Maturation System that is built entirely on Salesforce. I actually spent a good portion of last year building this system from the ground up, incorporating a lot of the things that made me successful in the industry right into that software. So what we were able to do is, it doesn't matter where you're at in the cycle, because that's what a loan is. You have to look at it from that perspective. It's a cycle, right? We have the sales on the front end, we have the operations piece, and we have the closing. It's this long arc that we're all trying to keep our customers on. And the problem is with a lot of loan officers, and why it's so challenging and so much of their time has to go to operations and not focused on sales, is because they're trying to fragment, put these systems together and supplement the operational process so their consumer can still have a good experience. And that's what takes away a lot of the production that an individual would be able to have normally. So we focused in on that. We recognized it as a problem and we decided to solve it. So if you're looking at our overall ecosystem and how we're able to really assist the loan officer, once you're in the lead maturation, you can quote the client right there in the system. No need to go out to a PPE or a loan sifter or anything else, right, to get information you need for a quote. And fees. No need to go out to the title company to go figure out fees. Everything is right there on your contact record, on that lead record. You can simply, after the client decides he wants to move forward, you can take the application right there on the record in the system. It's really amazing what we've put together. The ability to text the client, the ability to email the client, the campaigns that are all integrated right there, on that contact in that lead record. So we've gone as far as we can possibly go to make sure that our practitioners, our loan officers, can stay out in front of their clients constantly through all the different mediums of communication, whether you're talking about email, phone, or text message. And yes, the phone is also integrated into our Salesforce application and lead maturation system. So everything is there right on that contact or that lead record. So on the sales side, you're in an extremely strong position. Then as the loan gets converted into an actual borrower, you take the application, all of my operations team works in the same exact system. That has given us such a lift as a company, because now we can communicate through chatter. That's a feature inside of our system where an individual can simply, a loan officer can simply at one of our processors, and then boom, it pings up on their screen, the question, right? So that level of communication that is sort of integrated and works straight through the process alleviates a lot of friction. And that's one thing that's extremely strong.